हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ट्रेड फॉर वेल ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी। ये वीडियो में हम लोग लास्ट 10 मंथ में जो हम लोगों ने डेवलपमेंट किया है सॉफ्टवेयर 1, 2, 3 उसके कॉम्बिनेशन, बहुत जन को पता नहीं है कि जो न्यू कमर्स आते हैं, जो ओल्ड क्लाइंट्स मेरे थे उन्होंने सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर 1 यूज किया था, फिर उसमें कुछ उनको प्रॉफिट लॉसेस हुए, फिर उसमें हम लोगों ने डेवलपमेंट किया, फिर सॉफ्टवेयर 2 डेवलप किया, फिर 1 एंड 2 का कॉम्बिनेशन से कुछ अच्छे रिजल्ट मिले, तो भी कुछ लॉसेस हो रहे थे। तो आई डेवलप सॉफ्टवेयर नंबर 3 बाय यूजिंग फिब रिट्रेसमेंट एंड बाय यूजिंग गैन टेक्निक को कॉम्बिनेशंस करके सॉफ्टवेयर 1, 2, 3 को कैसे हैंडल करना है, वो आज ये वीडियोस में हम लोग देखेंगे। इन दिस जर्नी हम लोग स्टॉक मार्केट एसेंशियल्स के साथ भी टाई अप किया। इज माय ऑफिशियल मार्केटिंग पार्टनर समीर सुमन, जो उनके ओनर है स्टॉक मार्केट एसेंशियल के। तो आज ये कंटिन्यू करेंगे वीडियो, वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि ये कैसे हमारा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ और कैसे हम लोग को आपको बेनिफिट्स होगा। या वेलकम समीर।
Friends, in this particular video, we are going to talk about our very own product or software or indicator, you can call it, which we have developed for you guys, for all the traders and investors in the market. Okay, now this particular product, let me show it to you. A lot of people, a lot of clients are already using this particular product. Over the period of time, we have gone and made a tremendous amount of changes in this particular software. So those who are not using this software currently, for them a quick update. Okay, now this particular software we have been running, it's like around 8 months have been passed, and we have got great success of this particular software. Now this is the initial software which you are watching on the screen, okay, in which we used to provide a single line, okay, which is called as trade for wealth indicator. Okay, now this particular indicator, moving average kind of line, you can see. Okay, now simple particular funda in this software was, whenever this particular line turns green and you see a green candle, okay, this particular bright green candle, you have to buy. Okay, and when this particular indicator turns red, okay, you have to go short. Okay, now issue with this particular indicator was, there were some false signaling, like right now if you see here, okay, this particular signal is bearish, okay, and suddenly it became bullish for a while, and suddenly again bearish. Okay, so this is called as false signaling. Okay, you can call it false breakout, or at times this is reverse, like this particular area is green, this area is red, and again green. Okay, so that will be a false breakdown. Now to avoid this particular false breakouts or breakdown, or the false signaling in short, you can say, okay, we have developed another indicator, okay, which is this indicator. Now in this particular indicator, what happens is you clearly get an idea about the trend, overall trend. Okay, now what is the market trend? Now if you see in this, we have provided you trading zones. You can see over here, this is red, this is green. Okay, and these are two moving averages kind of line. Now let me give you a little brief about this. We have added Fibonacci numbers in this particular thing, then we have added Gann numbers into this particular software. We have added parabolic SAR. We have, this particular software or this particular indicator is a mixture of multiple indicators which are available in the market. Some of them are available for free, some of them are really complex indicators. We have tweaked and twisted them, and we have converted this particular indicator at your service. Now benefit of this is it gives you fantastic results. As I said that Gann numbers, if you are familiar with Gann numbers, that works absolutely brilliant. Fibonacci numbers, that they work absolutely brilliant. Okay, so if you see over here, now in this particular software, what you need to do is you just have to wait for crossover. Now if you see, this particular green line is above red line, that means this is a positive crossover. Okay, in this positive crossover, one can go long for Nifty. Now we are as of now referring to Nifty 50 chart. So now over here, one can go long for Nifty. You can buy Nifty call, or you can buy Nifty future. And if you see later, this is for 18th of June. On 18th of June, this particular software is showing on 15 minutes, it is showing a bullish trend. And since then, you can see Nifty today is at around 10,443. So which is like 15 this is like 600 points rally, which is a great rally. Okay, now similarly, right now this is coming in the bearish zone. Okay, now let me show you a bearish setup also. Now as I said that when this green line crosses red line, you have to go long. Okay, and see, vice versa, when this particular green line crosses the red line, okay, you have to go short. Now over here you can see Nifty has given a sell signal which is around 10,000 points, okay, on 11th of June, and once this particular crossover has happened, Nifty has fallen up to almost 9,000 500. Okay, so that is again 500 points rally. So you can simply plain buy put, or sell call, or buy short future. So there are opportunities, you know as per your money management, as per your risk management, you can decide what to trade. Okay, now this is a little idea about how this particular software works. Okay, we have detailed video also which we offer to our subscribers. If you subscribe for this particular software, then we give you a detailed training video. You can just go through the training and understand the working of the software. Okay, but this is a quick quick sneak peek of this particular software. As I said, here I showed you a short opportunity, here I showed you a long opportunity. Okay, and currently market is live. As of now, if you can see, Nifty is trading into red trading zone, which is a bearish zone. Now Nifty, it is likely that Nifty will fall. Okay, now over here also, if you observe, Nifty have created a Nifty had taken a resistance which is like 10,550 points. Okay, now exactly from here it moved. Okay, further it once again attempted to test this particular resistance, but it did not, it couldn't, and once again we saw a sharp fall into it. Okay, now this is software number 1 which I showed you. This is software number 2 which we just now discussed about this. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. This is not a detailed video. This is just a quick update for all the people who are first time watching this particular video. The software users, our software users who are using the software, they are already aware about this. Okay, now wonderful thing that we have developed post this particular software number 2 is software number 3. Okay, now which has a combination of software number 1, software number 2, and there are some additional details that we have added into software number 3 which makes it exclusive. Okay, now if you see in this particular software, we have added the Fibonacci numbers plus Gann numbers, then we have added parabolic SAR details. Okay, we have also given you the trading zones, like if you can see this red and green zones, we have given these trading zones also. Now what does exactly this particular software do? Now if you observe carefully, we have given this particular support and resistance zone. This green is support zone and this particular is resistance zone. Okay, now if you simply follow this particular strategies, or if you just blindly follow this particular software, it will give you fantastic results. If you are a technical analyst, if you know a little bit about technical analysis, you can apply that knowledge to this particular software and it will give you tremendous or excellent results. Okay, even if you are not familiar with the technical analysis, and if you just simply subscribe to our software and use the strategies which we give you, okay, that also will give you excellent results and that will help you to take excellent trades. Okay, now advantage is people who do not have the technical analysis knowledge is they don't try to apply their own logics into software logics, because what happens is the problem or the struggle is a person with a knowledge, he tries to apply his knowledge into the software knowledge. He tries to validate that is it the correct one. Software is giving me sell, but my analysis says it is buy. Okay, and he always struggles between buy and sell, buy and sell. He is not able to make his mind whether to buy that particular stock or whether to sell that particular stock. Okay, so advantage of a person who doesn't have technical knowledge is he will totally have faith in this particular software and the strategies that we give, and he will definitely make the money. In the reverse fashion, what happens is a person who's confused about it, he is watching the software which is giving a sell signal, at the same time he's having his own mind which is telling him to buy. Okay, he will not be able to take the decision. Okay, so this is where the problem comes. So software is not an issue. Okay, your mind is problem. So what happens is you need to have a control, you need to have a discipline, you need to have a strategies. And interesting news for you guys, we are making a video series for all the strategies that we are going to give away. Okay, and using these strategies you can definitely make good amount of money. If you are following this particular video right now, do watch out the description links where we have posted the video number 1, video number 2, in which we are giving away the strategies. Okay, no, those strategies are excellent strategies, and let me show you some some of the trades on that. Now this is the Bajaj Finance script. Okay, past 3-4 days Bajaj Finance have been giving excellent result. Okay, one of the strategies which I will be explaining you in details in that particular video. But if you can observe, see, this is, as I told you, that these are the support and resistance zones. Now this is Bajaj Finance. Now this is particular resistance zone and this is the support zone. Okay, now if you observe past few days, okay, Bajaj Finance have been in a uptrend. Okay, a bullish rally. Okay, now just check once this particular Bajaj Finance script, when it crossed this particular resistance. Okay, now this is the resistance level. Once this particular resistance was broken, okay, then afterwards it gave a huge rally. Okay, So the next target is obviously somewhere around this particular previous, resistance zone, that is also, tested and broken. Once again, the next target is, this one. This is also broken with huge volumes as well as, huge magnitude. Now once again, if you can see, every day it is breaking the resistances. Okay, a simple person can buy a call, 3000 call or 3200 call, depending on his risk and reward ratio and everything. Okay, now today, if you observe carefully, Bajaj Finance opened on 24th of June. Bajaj Finance opened near resistance. Okay, it was not able to break this particular resistance. It went sideways for quite a long time, and afterwards it gave a bearish signal. It fell down till almost 2980, and once again retraced, but it is still struggling over here. Okay, so if you have such kind of insights with you, okay, wouldn't you be able to make some profitable trades? Okay, is the only question. Okay, so guys, let me once again tell you, this is the wonderful software at your service. This particular indicator software, we have taken immense efforts into developing this. We have taken customers feedback also. As I said, I just now showed you that we are offering this software number 1, software number 2 and software number 3 at one cost. Okay, the monthly subscription is only 3000 rupees, and you get 2 days trial for this particular software. You can get hands on, you can test this software in live market, you can test this software, you can do the back testing on your favorite script. Interesting thing is, it will work on stocks, it will work on indices, it will work on MCX, that is crude oil, gold, natural gas, and whatever you name it. Okay, it will even work on currency. Okay, so what else do you need? So this is just you get everything at a very affordable price. Okay, that is the beauty of this particular indicator. You can try it for 1 month, okay, by subscribing to the software. Initial 2 days offer, trial, we are giving it for free of cost. Now the next question is how to subscribe for a free trial of this particular software. Check the description of this particular video where we have given the information or the process. It's a simple 3-step process to register for a free trial of this software. Okay, once you do that, we will activate your ID. You can test this software for 2 days in live market, as well as in you can do the back testing on your favorite scripts, cross check the results, and then you can subscribe for monthly subscription, which is with our software. Okay, now interesting thing is, we do share all the analysis on daily basis in the night itself, that what all stocks you should see next day morning for trading. Okay, so that is your advantage. So you not only get the software, okay, you also get in all, we are giving you 3 softwares first of all. Okay, software number 1, software number 2, software number 3. Along with that, we are giving you daily insights, or the daily insights on the trades which are you can take or consider for the next day. Okay, all this at just 3000 rupees per month. Friends, do take the benefit of this particular offer. There are number of software, number of indicators which are available in the market, but people, they sell those softwares to you, and that's about it. You are done. Once you pay the money to them, you are on your own. You don't have a knowledge about how to use that particular software, or if you are failing, or if you are unable to use that particular software to the fullest of its capacity, it's no point. Okay, here it is not like that. We do regular webinars, or we do share strategies, which strategies will work best on which stocks or which index or which time frame. Okay, so these all you get at cost of software subscription, 3000 rupees per month. That's about it. Okay, and I think that is a very affordable amount, or you can invest on yourself, because you are going to get a lot of knowledge by investing 3000 rupees. Trust me, the people who are trading, or who are using the software with us, are earning fantastic amounts of money. At least take a trial of 2 days, and importantly, look out for the video series where we are giving you strategies, how to use this particular software with strategies to maximize the profits and minimize the losses. So friends, that's about it for this particular video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this particular video, press subscribe to my channel, and do share this video with your friends on Telegram or WhatsApp group, so that they will be also benefited out of it. So see you in the next video of the strategy part with this particular software. Till then, have a great day.